Hey guys, it's Vicky and Charlie here today with me. He is like quite attached to the hip right now, just being a little baby and wants to be hugged and cozied up all day. Today I have a fun little vintage holiday outfit ideas lookbook, but it's not just any lookbook. I wanted to do something a little different and fun and show you guys 3 different outfit ideas that range from dressy to more casual. I know that everybody celebrates the holidays differently, and sometimes we have to dress up more and a little dressier for certain parties, and sometimes we just want to be in our PJs. Not that I'm wearing PJs and showing you that in today's video. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys vintage inspired holiday outfits that range from dressier to more casual. Let me caveat that I myself am a more casual dresser, so for some people the dressy might be like everyday wear for you and too casual still, and there might be some people out there that are even more casual than what I'm gonna show you. So these are just my interpretations of dressy and casual. So without further ado, let's get into the lookbook, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the 3 outfits and how I put them together.
Okay, so the first outfit I have is this red and black ensemble that I am rating on the dressy meter as the dressiest of all 3 outfits that I'm showing you today. For it, I decided to pull out this red true vintage late 1950s jacket that I thrifted earlier this year. It is absolutely beautiful and so classy. And of course I paired it with my Christmas tree brooch that was gifted to me just for, you know, some extra seasonal spirit. And also a cream sheer pair of vintage gloves that I thrifted, because if gloves don't speak fancy, I don't know what does. And then, of course, I had to wear my 1950s dress that I recently thrifted. I showed you guys this one in my last winter haul. I am in freaking love with this dress. It is so beautiful. It's from the 1950s. I wear it here without a petticoat, but of course you can always wear it with a petticoat for extra drama and to make it a little more dressy. But like I said, I'm a little bit more casual, and I didn't like the way my petticoat for some reason meshed with this one. But yeah, and then I also topped things off with this red fun and flirty hat that I got from Amazon. Oh yeah, and I also wore my red satin shoes that I thrifted. I love these. They're super playful and cute. They have a fun little bow at the back. They're just really cute, and I felt like they brought everything together with the red jacket and hat. I just feel like a little Christmas present in this outfit for some reason. The next outfit I have is this plaid look that I would rate as a medium on my dressy casual meter that I totally made up. For this outfit, I wore this green and navy plaid dress that my mama actually gifted to me recently for my birthday. I love it so much. I believe that she got it on Amazon. It's really pretty, it's fun, and I like it because it could be dressy, but you can also dress it down and make it a little more casual like I did here. I paired it with my black cardigan here that I thrifted, and again had to wear that Christmas tree brooch that I wore for the other outfit. It's like my only Christmas brooch. I need to build my brooch collection. But this one does it for now. It's very pretty and detailed and sparkly. I paired the dress with some black tights and these boots. I love these boots so much. They are from Amazon by the brand Dream Paris. I've had them for like about 3 years now, and they are honestly like my trusty boots. I wear them all the time, and I love them because they're really comfy and cozy. They have this kind of fleece material on the inside, which just adds that extra warmth, especially in the winter. So yeah, as you can see, this outfit is totally, you know, like still dressy and appropriate for parties, but at the same time casual, so that's why I rated a medium. But if you wanted to dress it up, I feel like this one is a great example of like where just switching the accessories a little bit makes a whole world of a difference. So for a more dressy but still like medium casual look, I paired this one with my trusty navy cloak. I am so in love with this cloak. I thrifted it earlier this year. It's from Ireland, it's vintage. I have no idea how the heck it got all the way over here, but it is my favorite this season regardless. And then of course, to also add that dressy factor, the gloves come back. I have these vintage gloves that I showed you guys in my last haul as well. And then I also switched out the boots with some black, softer looking shoes. I put on these black thrifted lace-up flats, but some heels could work too. So yeah, just kind of changing the accessories. Accessorizing makes a whole world of a difference and can make something go really easy from casual to dressy. And then for my last outfit, which is my casual outfit out of the three, is this fun, very 50s inspired look. So for it, I wore my very soft and fluffy Mickey Disney jacket. This one was gifted to me by my cousin. I love it so freaking much. I've had it for a while, but I just pulled it out recently, and it's just so fun. It feels like a very like Letterman high school jacket, which, you know, makes this outfit very youthful as well. I also wore my red, just very simple long sleeve shirt and my face and face skirt from Amazon. So it's like a very simple look, but it's very comfy and cozy. And this one out of the three might not really speak and like scream holiday when you first see it straight out the door, but I feel like it does because of the just red and white, the colors, you know, they're still very like nice solid colors that go well for the holidays. My shoes for this outfit are these black and white Oxford shoes or saddle shoes from Amazon. And then at the top of my head, to make things a little more playful, I tied a red ribbon to the top of my ponytail to make it look like I was trying a little more. It's like a very easy way to make yourself look more lively and fun without really going like the extra mile and trying too hard. Sometimes you just don't really want to do your hair, and if you're having one of those days for Christmas, there you go. Tie a bow to your head and you're good to go. I love all the looks, but with me and how casual I am, I want to say that this one is probably my favorite look. Probably also the green dress. I like both, but this one, I'm really feeling it right now.
I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little lookbook and you guys get some ideas for dressing up this holiday season for wherever it is that you have to go. And honestly, if you don't go anywhere this season and just stay home in your PJs, I'm really jealous, and that's perfectly a-okay with me. God knows that's probably what I'm gonna be doing for the most part. I hope you guys have fun celebrating Christmas or whatever it is that you celebrate, and enjoy this spectacular holiday season. Honestly, this is like my absolute most favorite time of the year. Probably even a little bit more than autumn. Blasphemy, I know. As always, friends, sending you all a super duper big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! He just wants to take a nap and be in my arms all day. What am I to do? I literally sat here and he sat next to me, just stared at me, and climbed into my lap. Oh, now you're awake. Go back to sleep. It's fine now. Just go back to bed. Sleepy pupper.